Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Legion Y7000. This will be the 2019 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi Bluetooth card. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip the computer over to access our bottom case screws. There are 11 screws on the bottom case. Once you remove those screws, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case far less than a metal one will. You're going to go around the seam of your bottom case and pry it off from the rest of your computer. Now be careful not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow, careful but firm, and you'll be able to get that off. It's generally best to start out back near one of the back corners. And if you get stuck going in one direction, just leave it, start on the other side, and continue around. Once you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model, the Y7000, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all the tools and supplies, as well as those replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always wise to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. Your battery is right down here near the bottom right of my screen. It's held in by these 5 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, usually it's best to not pull on wires if at all possible in a computer. Sometimes you can damage them or pull them right out of the plug. However, in this computer, there's no give here. There's no extra wire to grab onto. So I had to unscrew the battery, take the battery out, and then gently wiggle that out by pulling on those wires, unfortunately. So it's not ideal, but you had to go slow and gentle, and you can wiggle that plug out of the port. Your Wi-Fi card is right here toward the center right of my screen. It's held down by a single screw underneath this yellow piece of tape. Some of you may have it, some of you may not. And then after that, all you have are these antenna wire that snap onto it. So those are just snaps. Those will snap directly up and off of the Wi-Fi card. And to get them back on, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on. And you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So just go slow, be patient. It's probably going to be a pain in the butt if you're not used to it, but you will be able to get those back on safely without damaging them. I will have all the Wi-Fi card spec information below in the description if you want help looking for your own replacement. However, I also will have a replacement option in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. And I guess the last thing I can mention about a Wi-Fi card replacement, if you're having trouble seeing your Wi-Fi options, if you can't see any networks and you can't even pull up your Wi-Fi options, it's probably not your card. It's probably a system driver issue. I will have a video link below in the description, also up top in the video, and it'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix that situation if you cannot access your Wi-Fi options. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your Legion Y7000 and access your Wi-Fi Bluetooth card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.